Who's up for a little garden of Banban? Hey, careful with that drink! Uh-oh! That Opila bird doesn't look too friendly. No, not the cage! Quick, you gotta break out! Not like that. What's going on? No humans? We need a way to trick this security system. Why don't we put that pimple to good use? Let's see if you can break the bars. No? Well then, we'll dig our way out.
What?
Oh, hey, did you find something?
Yay!
It's an Opila box. Just what we need. Let's start with this extractor. And clear up all those zits. But now let's clear all that dead skin. There's fresh skin underneath. And I mean real fresh. You're looking a little red in the face.
Yay!
You know, I hear eggs are good for skin.
Wow.
Especially when they come with shiny face masks.
Ew.
Wow, that was quick.
Ah.
Uh-oh, Mama's back! We're gonna need to make a replacement. Whatever this is, it's egg-shaped. It'll just have to do. Quick, make the switch. Do you think she'll fall for it? Guess not. Something tells me that Opila is mad at her. Her glasses! Oh no, she can't see a thing without them. But maybe these drops can help. Or maybe not. Unfortunately, she can't read that warning. Drops aren't supposed to give you red eyes. Now she has Opila's bird vision.
Wow.
Ugh, pretty sure those nose hairs are new. Get some sticky gum, add to a stick, and make like you're digging for gold. Now let's toss those sticks. Great aim, just poor timing.
What?
Okay, what we need is a distraction.
Hey!
Great idea! Worms! What bird can resist? Now toss that bait. Great success! Quick, grab that other box. Wait, I wouldn't stick my hand there. Look, in the first box, plastic wrap. Lay down the wrap. Now draw out a face with makeup. Red ruby lips. Add matching eyeshadow. Just remember to close your eyes before putting it on.
Yay!
Might need a little pat here and there. Now peel it off.
Ew.
Looking good.
Yes!
I guess everyone's getting makeovers. On the plus side, free shaving cream. Oh, gonna shave your head?
Yay!
Wait, no, she's adding color. And lathering it up. Now we're gonna need some help.
Hey!
Come on, Opila bird, take the worm. We'll pluck that feather. Uh-oh. Now those are some vibrations. Ooh, look at your new rosy locks. Now that's worthy of a hair flip. Think it'll be enough to trick the security system? Guess not. Well, when a makeover doesn't work, it just means we're not finished. Now pull on these carnival gloves.
Yay!
And stick on some feathers. Right down to your fingers. And why should your arms have all the fun?
Yay!
Hey, in back of you, something's glowing. What is it? It looks like a drone controller. And you know what that means. A drone shouldn't be too far behind. And while we're at it, let's pick up some chicken on the way. But this is no ordinary chicken. It's a Play-Doh chicken. Ooh, does it lay golden eggs?
Yay!
No, even better. They're clay, which we can use to make feathers. Or better yet, a stylish new beak. Just make sure you can breathe. Anything else in the box for us? Guess not. But hey, look! It's a plastic bag. Maybe it can help. With a few cuts, it's a brand new dress. But it's a little too simple. A little accessorizing never hurt anyone. Like a new belt. A new skirt.
Yay!
Preening's important when you're a bird. Feeling okay? Wow, you really are a bird. Oh, roll-on glitter tattoos.
Yay!
Let's try them on. Stick them on and don't forget the glitter. Pretty soon, you're your own shining star.
Wow!
Now let's fix up those feet. We're gonna need some new socks. Anything in yellow? Oh, and it's nice and long. It's the perfect thing for a pair of bird legs. Roll them up as high as you can. Now make some holes to hold some feathers. You'll need a little plumage for your tights.
Hey!
Maybe this will trick the security system. It worked! We're on our way out of here. But we're not out of the woods yet. We still have to fool the Opila bird. Hey, that worked too. Let's have some tea and donuts. Wow, she really didn't need a mouth hole. Opila bird likes a little music with brunch. Time to rock out, but not too hard. Uh-oh. Oh no! Not the eyebrows! We gotta get out of here! Oh, it was all a dream.
What?
So, who's up for some fresh air? I guess this doll's a fixer-upper. First, let's open up those eyes. And add some color. Look who's here! It's Hello Kitty! And Dolly wants to be like her. She's got just the thing for those zits. Actually, she is just the thing for zits. And look, the gunk peels right off.
Cool.
Now it's time for some foundation. This gadget should help.
Cool.
Add some makeup, and let's get the wheels turning. Ooh, make sure to get that lipstick smudge. Now for a face sponge. Wow, Kitty's really rubbing off on you, isn't she? No mouth? Well, say it with your eyes. But if you do, pucker up. Now let's make a heart shape. And fill it up with your glue gun. Look, it's a cute little cat nose. It just needs a touch of pink. Now it's time we fix up that hair. We're gonna need some shaving foam. And some ink from a marker. Choose any color you like.
Wow.
Now let's mix it up and add it to your hair. It's time to heat things up. Crank up the blow dryer. And enjoy your new color. But what's a cat without retractable nails? Just add a straw on each nail. Now take some soda and inject it into your fake nail. It's like a lava lamp right at your fingertips. Cool. Make that 10. Aiming for 20? No, wait. This sock can be a fluffy fingerless glove. But every cat paw needs some pads. Cool. Can't forget those toe beads either. Now for some cat ears. Oh, want to shave?
Ew.
After all, cats just love grooming. Add a wax strip and peel it off. You know, this fur could be put to better use. But Kitty's never fully dressed without a bow. Otherwise, she'd be Dear Daniel. Hey, what's that? Come back here. We got you. This sponge could be just what our wardrobe needs. Of course, we might need a few more sponges.
Wow.
Did you sit on something? A pop tube. Ooh. Roll it up with something fuzzy. Maybe add some highlights at the end. And it's your brand new tail. What a transformation! She's Hello Kitty. Of course, we're gonna need a box if we're aiming for collector's edition.
Cool.
Step inside. Oh, and don't forget the logo. Now strike a pose. Hey, what's under all these rocks? It's a coin. And look, it's a Mario. Someone's happy to see you.
Wow.
Ooh, well, that explains the hat. Careful, he can't exactly afford to lose more. Meanwhile, our cat has enough to go around. Here's an idea. Roll it up together until it's practically a piece of thread. If you can make a bunch, then we can give Mario some hair extensions. It looks a little too shabby. We should at least keep it out of his eyes.
Wow.
Good idea. A scrunchie will help it all hang back. Ugh, you broke a nail. Good. We can make cat ears. Now, your skin can use a nice acne mask. And look, it's even got glitter. Give it time to work its magic. Then just peel it off. Much better. Wait, his mustache! Oh no! Well, maybe we can try a new look. But every cat needs his whiskers. Careful, let's get plucking. Perfect. You're the cat's meow. Now let's work on those claws. Nothing a glue gun can't fix. Of course, what can't it help fix? Too long? I thought we could have gone longer. Now we're gonna give your hand a little soak. So now they're nice and glittery. What an unusual looking mushroom. Gotcha! It was a balloon the whole time. Looks like Puss could use some boots. How about we take some measurements? Cut it out and add it inside the balloon. Why don't we draw a face on top? Don't forget the ears. Ooh, and bows. Does that mean they come pre-tied? Next up, let's stitch these overalls. Add some gum. Get it into shape. And you've got instant abs. Hello, Kitty. You're so pretty. You'd make for some great tights. Just need a little off the top. And on the sides. Why don't you try it on?
Yeah, woohoo!
Not bad, not bad. But it could use a little something. Oh, this loofah can help. Slip it on. And add some pom-poms.
Yeah!
Wow.
These fluffy pants are the cat's pajamas. Literally. Uh-oh, we need a tail. Something long, like your hair. Let's make it shine.
Wow.
And add some glue on the other end. Just put it in place and seal it up tight. What a transformation! Hey, look who's here!
Hey!
Ooh, I think they like your new look. Want to go for a ride? Jump in! They grow up so fast. Oh man, remind me to get the night guy a gum scraper. I'd apologize quick if I were you. Oh no! Not liquid! Her only weakness! Wow, she's really a mermaid. Hey, be nice. Let's get out of here. Wait, what's that? Oh, a siren song is calling us. Let's go. Wow, a conch shell. Anything inside?
Wow.
An acne wand. Well, let's try it out. Hold on, I think that one's a pearl. So that's where the clams get them.
Oh.
And look what else, an erasable marker. It takes like a fish to water, which it kinda is.
Wow.
Take a dip, the water's fine. And goodbye, red spot. Ooh, I've heard of catching fish in a barrel.
Ew.
Don't worry, Nemo, we'll set you free. Meanwhile, let's have fun with this mat. It'll help us add some makeup. Let's hope this stuff is waterproof. Ooh, your scales are glowing. And look, the conch has given us new teeth. This metalwork could come in handy. Add some transparent material. Pour on some glue in lines. Now add some glitter. Shake it off. And you've got a shiny new fin. Why not make one for each ear? Look, Dolly came down for a swim. I think she wants to be a mermaid too. Well, that's an easy fix. Huh, why don't we color that tail? Ooh, coral pink. Or is it more salmon? How about some pink bangs? Ooh, your tail could use a makeover too. Ugh. Let's ditch these grubs. Careful.
Ew.
Look, our little crustacean friend's here to help.
Wow.
He'll clean you up like a bottom feeder. Maybe even perform a calypso song if there's time. It's clean, but we're just getting started. It's glitter time, and we're gonna need a lot of it. Oh, so shiny. Should come in handy in the dark sea. What the? A clam? Or, as I like to call it, lunch! Melts in your mouth. And on your shirt. Let's make you a new top.
Cool.
Thanks, Mr. Conch. Take these shell necklaces and tie them up. Don't forget one for your neck.
Wow.
Perfect. Got anything in there? Ew.
Ew.
And those hands don't look much better. A shell? Oh, add some polish. And before it dries, some glitter sand. It's the perfect fake nail, but we're gonna need some more. The magic conch does it again.
Aww. Cool.
What a transformation! It's a whole new you! Hey, look! It's the kids from before!
Wow.
Well, pride comes before a fall.
Wow.
Looks like she's the bigger person. Now she's finally part of their world.